sip and serve with Russels.
Hello everyone. Today we're spicing things up with a mouth-watering mixed Nasi Goreng.
You will need salt, seasoned chicken and cuttlefish, butter, soy sauce, chili paste, bell pepper,
Prawns, fish, pepper,
onion.
Now, let's fire up the pan. Melt a little butter. Now, let's get those veggies in. Add chopped onion. Then add bell pepper. Add salt. Next up, toss in the chicken. Add cuttlefish. Add prawns. Then add fish. Now add some pepper. Then the secret weapon, chili paste. Mix everything together. Drizzle in some soy sauce. Now, let's bring it all together by adding rice to the pan. Mix, mix, mix. And just like that, we've got the ultimate fried rice base. Take a bowl, pack in that fried rice, and press it down gently. Now, flip the bowl onto a plate. Top it off with a fried egg, maybe some crispy shallots or fresh herbs, whatever you like. And there you have it.
Your stunning mixed Nasi Goreng ready to impress.